I've got good news for you. Cleaning supervisors are needed in Kingston, Ontario, Canada. Meanwhile, keep watching to find out all the details you need to know about this job. Welcome to Canada Migrate. Today's video promises to be educating and informative. Endeavor to subscribe to our channel if you haven't by clicking on the subscribe button below, as well as the bell icon to be notified whenever we upload a video. That being said, this is a full-time permanent employment with a salary structure of $24 hourly, and you are expected to work 35 hours per week. To apply for this job, you must be a Canadian citizen, permanent or temporary resident in Canada. Preferred language, English. Educational qualification, secondary school graduation certificate. Experience, a minimum of 1 year working experience is needed. What are your responsibilities? Supervise and coordinate activities of workers. Inspect sites or facilities to ensure safety and cleanliness standards. Receive payments for specialized cleaning jobs. Assist cleaners in performing duties. Coordinate work activities with other departments. Establish work schedules. To apply, click the link in the description below. We advise you to do your own research before applying for any job online. Thank you for sticking to the end of this video. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell icon as to always get updated whenever we upload any new job update. See you around and bye for now.